Hello friends! This video showcases a delightful openwork knit that features a charming cellular structure and a distinctive texture. The pattern is made up of just 2 stitches and 4 rows, which are repeated with an offset. To begin with, cast on several stitches in multiples of 2, plus 1 for symmetry, and 4 edge loops. We will start by knitting 2 initial rows. The first is on the wrong side, and we knit a rib stitch. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. To finish the row, purl 1. The second initial row is on the right side. After 2 edge loops, knit 1, yarn over, and purl 1. Knit 1, yarn over, and purl 1. The scheme begins on the wrong side. Row 1. After 2 edge loops, there is 1 yarn over loop, 1 purl stitch, and 1 knit. Drop the yarn over loop. Slip 1 with the yarn in front. Knit 1. Continue knitting this sequence. Drop 1. Slip 1, knit 1. To finish the row, drop 1 and slip 1. Row 2 right side. After 2 edge loops, slip 1 stitch with the yarn at the back. Purl 1. Continue knitting this sequence. Slip 1, purl 1. To finish the row, slip 1. Row 3 wrong side. After 2 edge loops, there is 1 long loop and 1 knit. Pull up 3 stitches from the long loop, purl 1, yarn over, purl 1. Then purl 1. Continue knitting this sequence. Pull up 3 stitches from 1. Purl 1. To finish the row, pull up 3 stitches from 1. Row 4 right side, slip 1 edge loop first. Then, out of the scheme, knit 2 loops together with a slope to the left. Then the repeat pattern is purl 1. Make a center double decrease. Slip 2 loops as if to knit, and knit the third. Pass the slipped stitches over the knit loop and drop them. Make a yarn over loop. Continue knitting this sequence. Purl 1, make a center double decrease, and yarn over. To finish the row, purl 1 and knit 2 loops together with a slope to the right. Repeat these 4 rows with an offset. Row 5 wrong side. After 2 edge loops, knit 1, drop 1, and slip 1 with the yarn in front. Continue knitting this sequence. Knit 1, drop 1, slip 1 with the yarn in front. Row 6 right side. After 2 edge loops, purl 1, slip 1 stitch with the yarn at the back, purl 1, slip 1 stitch with the yarn at the back. Row 7 wrong side. After 2 edge loops, purl 1. Then pull up 3 loops from the long loop. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 1. Continue knitting this sequence. Purl 1, then pull up 3 loops from 1. Row 8 right side. After 2 edge loops, knit 2 loops together with a slope to the left. Then the repeat pattern is purl 1, make a center double decrease, make a yarn over loop, purl 1, make a center double decrease, and yarn over. I have introduced you to a new and unique knitting technique that features a distinctive texture and relief. This knit is suitable for clothing and accessories for all seasons. And it can be made with both thin and thick yarn. As you plan your upcoming projects, I encourage you to consider this technique and give it a try. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click on my Knit Knot Space Shop icon to view my knitting creations. Whether you're seeking something special for yourself or the perfect gift for a loved one, I have a variety of items that I'm certain you'll adore. Thank you so much for being part of my audience. I truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again soon.